It's supposed to be safer than cigarettes, with fun flavors and cool inhalers. Vaping is a popular pastime with teens and young adults. It's also a nationwide health concern.
I've never been that sick before.
21-year-old Jake Zimmerman of Gilbert had been vaping for 2 years without any problems. Then, a few weeks ago, he ran a high fever and started gasping for air.
I started feeling something, but then as the few days gone by, I got progressively worse, and to the point of where I just couldn't walk. It was just super hard to catch my breath. It felt pain. I felt pain as I was doing it, as I was trying to catch my breath too.
Jake was diagnosed with a severe case of pneumonia and spent 7 days in the hospital. At one point, he was almost placed in a medically induced coma. Doctors believe Jake's illness was directly related to vaping.
It's totally not worth getting to that habit and thinking that nothing bad's gonna happen, but then look what happened to me.
Almost 1,000 vaping-related respiratory cases have now been reported nationwide. Jake wants to warn others about the dangers of vaping.
A lot of people really don't care still, which is kind of unfortunate, so that's just kind of what I'm trying to spread around, just wearing this.
Now, I did ask Jake if he would ever consider vaping again. He said absolutely not. In the newsroom, Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.
All right, Jason, thank you. Now, as Jason mentioned in his piece there, the CDC, the Centers for Disease Control, they say they just keep seeing more and more of these cases. Take a look nationally. Here it is, the actual numbers. Over 1,000 cases have been reported in 48 states, and so far, they're responsible for 22 deaths. Let's take a look at the numbers here in Arizona. So statewide in Arizona, let me take off the national, 7 cases so far. And at this point, no deaths have been reported here in Arizona.